Paul Akilusi. So I'm here to explain how a solar kits work. As I promised earlier that I will be explaining different types of solar kits in the market and I will be reviewing them. So this is Cafini Solar Kit. The serial number is CNL8857X4 and it's a very good kit. I've tried it, although it doesn't have a radio, so it's just for lightning points. This is the device itself, that's the accessory, and this is the solar panel. So it comes with a solar panel. It comes with a solar panel. Let me tell you the solar panel. So it comes with a 3.5 watt panel, 9 volts and 0.28 amps. So the way the panel is designed, you can place it on the wall like this. You can also use rope to tie it. You can hang it like this. And this is the device itself. Let me untie the device. This is the device. It comes with a mini fluorescent LED front light, and it has one input, 4 outputs for charging. The on and the off is a 6 volts. Is a 6 volt with input output with bulb of 0.55 volts using 9 volt panel. And let me open this. It comes with a pen and 3 lightning bulbs. And one thing I love about this, you can also charge your phone. So I'm plugging my phone here. You can also charge your phone. This is the lightning point. Let me connect the lightning point. 1, we have 2, we have 3. So you can still buy one more bulb to it to make it 4. Buy one more bulb to it to make it 4. The input for your solar panel is well separated from the others. That's one of the major reasons why I love this. And you can notice the moment I connect it to the solar part, it starts charging. And let me untap the sticker. And I hope when you get this, you will definitely enjoy it. And it offers a cheaper price. I can put on the front light like this. This is the side light like this. But the only disadvantage I notice here is that you can't put on the 2 lights at the same time. Then if I want to put on the side one, use it. Can you see the front light? This is for the bulbs. So from the back here, I can control the bulbs. And each bulb have its own individual switch. Each bulb have its own individual switch. And the bulb are very, very bright. Very, very bright. And you can also use this to charge your phone. You have your normal type C. You have the old or Android that we normally call Motorola mount. You have the type B, the common type, and these 2 other ones. And it comes with that here where you can charge it, and this actually charges faster. So if you want to get it, reach out to us. This is the carton. The serial number still remain CNL8857X4. So thank you. and I will still do more review of different types of solar kits. If you are within Africa or you are in a place where you need to get a review done, you can send your product to us and we'll do a review on it, and we'll tell you how it's working, and we encourage clients to buy it. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please ensure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. My channel name still remains Installer Paul. My phone number is +234 80380 For those within Nigeria, is 08038015711. And thank you very much. One of our videos have hit 10,000 views, and one of our short has also hit 10,000 views. It shows it's a form of encouragement to us, so you can put on your light also from here. This lighting the bulb, this lighting the front here, this lighting the front here as well to make it brighter. It goes off, and if I want to lighten the smaller part, this, and the side part, this. And it's also good for students. If you're a student, you need a solar kit. At least with 3 bulbs, you can put one in your room, this one for reading, and one other one in your kitchen, and the last one you can put it in your bedroom or your toilet, or if you have your 2 conveniences together. You will really enjoy it. Thank you very much, and stay blessed.